बसवा कौन व्यवस्था नहीं आपण मन लाइन सतर्क रहिबे।
आज पवित्र स्नान पूर्णिमा उत्सव है। इस अवसर पर हमको आज सौभाग्य प्राप्त हुआ महाप्रभु जगन्नाथ जी की दर्शन करने के लिए और उड़ीसा का कैसे कल्याण हो, सारा जगत का कैसे कल्याण हो, इसी आधार पर हमने हमारा उड़ीसा लोगों के लिए भलाई के लिए प्रार्थना मैंने किए हैं और निश्चित रूप से उड़ीसा को समृद्ध उड़ीसा बनाने के लिए जो संकल्प लेते हुए हमारा सरकार आगे बढ़ रहे हैं। उड़ीसा का जनता का सेवा और विकास अच्छा ढंग से हो तो निश्चित रूप से समृद्ध उड़ीसा होगा और जगत का भी कल्याण होगा। इसी आधार पर हमने महाप्रभु जगन्नाथ जी को प्रार्थना की है।
Today is the Devasnana Purnima ritual in the Sri Jagannath Temple, Puri. In this very unique ritual, all the deities they come out of the Ratna Singhasan to the Snana Bedi, where they will have bathing for that particular ritual. And all the rituals since the morning, the Pahandi ritual, the Mangal Alati, and subsequently in the afternoon there will be the Rajaniti or the Chera Pahara by the Gajapati Maharaj. In the evening the deities will give darshan to the devotees in Hathi Vesa, the Gajanan Vesa. It's a very unique attire. And after that again the deities will again go back to the Anasara Pindi, because they will not go to the Ratna Singhasan from today. And from tomorrow the Anabasara Niti will be there for the next 15 days before the Rath Yatra. Yeah, you can see that lakhs of devotees have come, but from the administration side, from the Sri Jagannath Temple administration, the police administration, the district administration and various arms of government, elaborate arrangements have been made, and the devotees are going in queues and they are having a very disciplined darshan. Special darshan arrangements have been made for all the devotees. In the evening there will be Sahana Mela darshan, meaning the devotees can also go up to the the Snana Bedi, wherein they can have very close darshan of the deities. So we wish and pray that all the devotees who have come for a glimpse of Mahaprabhu Sri Jagannath have a very pleasant experience.
In terms of security arrangements, what do you want to tell?
Security arrangements are extremely tight. As you would have seen, the CCTV cameras are in place. 79 platoons of force have been put on duty. Special traffic arrangements have been made. There have been some diversions of vehicles in the city. So the police arrangements have also been extremely smooth and very elaborate. And we request all the devotees to kindly obey the restrictions which are put forth by the administration.
In hot weather situation, water safety and drinking water facilities are things out there.
Yes, this is a very hot and humid day today, and we expect maybe there would be a better weather in the afternoon. But to mitigate such problem, we have water sprinklers put across the city, and drinking water facilities are also there when the devotees are in the queue, and also they are going inside. And all other arrangements are also in place. And we have also seen the support of many young volunteers who are supporting us in giving a pleasant experience to the devotees.
What is the message for devotees? What is the message for devotees who have?
So we request all the devotees to have blessings of the Lord, but at the same time we request them to kindly obey the restrictions put in place so that they can have a better darshan and they can seek the blessings of Mahaprabhu Sri Jagannath.